Roy basketball, amazing dunks. Oh, got it. No fadeaways. That wasn't really a fadeaway, but look behind the court. Oh, let's go. You see that dunk? I'm about to do the dunk that I most like. Is this one. Wait, oh, sorry. Dang. Vote number one to whatever I got the last one to. Number one. Number two. Matter of fact, you already know what I did. Just put the name like when I did this. Let's put the Bulldog dunk when I was like maybe 360. Bulldog 360 when I did between the legs. Let's put between the legs. When I did 360, let's put 360. And when I did the windmill, let's put windmill. Oh, put it in full screen. Not even looking, cuz. Not even looking. Not even looking. Switch. Alright. Switch. Oh! Made it.